Now that we've selected our components and fluid package, it's time to move forward. Click on the Simulation button at the bottom left of the screen. Once we enter the simulation environment in Aspen HYSYS, the interface and menus change significantly. The top menu bar now includes several new tabs, such as Home, Economics, Dynamics, Equation-Oriented, View, Customize, Resource, Flowsheet Modify, and Format. In this course, we will mainly work with the Home, Flowsheet Modify, and Format tabs. On the left side of the screen, there's a very important panel. It gives you access to different parts of your simulation model. Here are the most commonly used sections. Workbook. This is your go-to place to view all variables related to material and energy streams, as well as calculated values like temperature, pressure, flow rate, and composition. Unit Ops. This shows all the unit operations, like heaters, compressors, reactors, that you've added to your simulation. Streams. Here you'll find a list of all your material and energy streams in one place. You can double-click any stream to open its details. Stream Analysis. This tool is helpful to analyze individual stream compositions, phase behavior, and thermodynamic properties. Equipment Design and Model Design are more advanced sections, mainly used for rating and sizing equipment or developing custom models. We won't go deep into these in this course. In the Home tab, you will see two important buttons, Active and On Hold. These buttons control the overall calculation status of your simulation. When you click Active, HYSYS starts or resumes the simulation. All calculations will be performed, and values such as temperature, pressure, and flow rate will be updated in real time. When you click On Hold, the simulation is paused. HYSYS stops all calculations. You can still modify the flow sheet, add or remove equipment, or make changes, but no updates will occur until you reactivate the simulation. This feature is especially helpful when you want to make multiple changes and don't want HYSYS to recalculate after each step. Instead, you can make all your modifications while the model is on hold, and then click Active to run all calculations at once. It's also common for HYSYS to automatically switch to On Hold if there's a major error or missing information in the simulation. On the left-hand side, we have one of the most important panels in HYSYS, the Model Palette. This panel contains all the unit operations and equipment models that you can drag and drop into the simulation, such as material and energy streams, pumps, compressors, valves, heat exchangers, columns, separators, mixers, etc. You can move or dock this panel wherever you like in the workspace. If you accidentally close the model palette, don't worry. There are two easy ways to bring it back. Just press the F4 key on your keyboard. Pressing it once will open the palette, and pressing it again will hide it. You can toggle it on and off anytime using F4. You can also go to the flow sheet, Modify, and then select Models and Streams to reopen the palette manually. This tool will be used constantly throughout the course, so make sure you're familiar with it. Another very useful section is under the Home tab, the Units and Unit Sets menu. By default, HYSYS uses SI units, but depending on your engineering background or project requirements, you may want to work with other unit systems. Click on Unit Sets. Let's say you want to customize the units yourself. Click on Copy and create a new unit set, for example. Call it My Units. Now, scroll through the list and find a quantity you'd like to change. For example, energy. By default, it might be in kilojoules per hour, but you can change it to kilowatts. Once you've made your changes, click OK. Now your custom set, My Units, is selected and active. At any point during your simulation, you can switch between unit sets using this menu. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to add material streams and equipment from the model palette and start building our process flow diagram step by step.